Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection issues. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after doing this step run the internet connection. It's required for few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, close it, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, and after doing this step go to your go to your network and internet, go to your advanced network settings, and after doing this step go to your network reset and click on a restart now. When you click on a restart now, it's required for after when you click on it yes, then your computer will be restart, and after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is ipconfig space /flash dns and press enter. After doing this step type a command is nets space winsock space reset and press enter. After doing this step type a command is nets space int space ip space reset and press enter. After doing this step type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a control panel and go to your control panel. Go to your network and internet, go to your network and sharing center, and after that click on a change adapter settings. After doing this step select the internet adapter which is used to connect your internet and go to your properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 and click on a properties. After that click on a use the following DNS addresses. I have already used it. Then you can click on a use the following DNS addresses, and first of all type a preferred DNS is 8.8.8.8 and the alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. After that click on a OK button and close it. After doing this step I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, and after that open it and select a network adapter, and one by one you can update the USB as well as the other network connection. Update driver, click on search automatic from drivers and close it. After updating your driver, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.